Alright, this 1TV dash. I did cut out the speaker grills for you. They're cut out. You're going to have to use the 82 to 83, I think maybe 84 style speaker grills. You know, you could tell them apart because these are more square. They don't have the border end. And they're the ones that just clip in. Alright, so when you're going to install your grills, turn it over. So you're going to take your grill. You can see these ones have little tabs on them. 3 tabs on one side and one big one on the other. So it just fits right in there. Just like that. And then all you're going to do is get some epoxy. I recommend using like a marine epoxy. And just epoxy it in and you'll be done with it. You could also fiberglass it in if you want to, if you got fiberglass. But if not, just use the epoxy and it'll work just fine. And there's all kinds of different brand epoxies, but this is one I like to use because it dries really fast. In 2 hours, it's a Loctite epoxy, marine epoxy. It's a 2-hour setting time, and it's white in color. So it's a 2-part. You just squirt it out on a piece of cardboard, get a little brush, and just put it on this crack. And should be good. And if you want to make sure this is nice and level, I would get some tape and tape it wherever you want it. If you want it nice and flush, or if you want it sticking out a little bit, however you want it, I'd put the tape over it so it doesn't move, and then I'll just epoxy it in. I would do it for you, but I don't have any of these grills. This is like my only set, and I need this so I can do the cutout every time. It's my template. And you can find these on eBay. You know, I don't know what they would charge, but yeah, I know they're on eBay. A lot of people have original ones on there. Here's a 1TV dash. I went and cut this side out and left that one for the customer to do. And I went and filled the bottom real nice and smooth. Nice and solid here. This is where your lower console will sit. Alright, so that's a wrap on this video. Next video I'll be priming this up. Alright, here's the 1TV dash in primer. So this needs to be sanded by the customer when they get it. I'd go anywhere from 320 to 400 grit to smooth it out. Wet or dry, but wet goes a lot easier. Yeah. Alright, so that's the 1TV dash finished up. This was ordered last year in 2021, I believe in the summer. So I'd gotten way too many orders last year, more than normal. And so it took me a while to get this done. This was the last order for last year. I'm glad it's ready to go out. And your pod, I will primer that separately and have that shipped off, probably separately, but we'll see. If I can probably finish that off in the next day or two, I'll send it with it. Alright, there's the 1TV dash ready to ship. There it is in primer.